back, you guys might remember me going on a bit of a rant about the schools. Um, my daughter missed a few days unexcused. Who cares, right? My kid. Um, well, they threatened action. I told them to kiss my ass. Well, they contacted DCS, which is the Department of Child Services here in Indiana. Well, the lady came to my house, and I told her in no uncertain terms that she has no authority and she needed to leave. She tried to threaten me with law enforcement, and I said, go get them, and they can't come in either. And so, it's escalating now, and they have no idea what's waiting for them. This was left on Sunday morning, yesterday, in my door. No knock on the door, nothing like that. It was snuck up there and tucked in. It's, a motion to compel. And they want access to my house and to my child. They filed a motion to compel. Well, apparently the hearing was this morning, which this has no date on it, and it was put on my porch on a Sunday morning, the day before the hearing. There's no file stamp, nothing. So after calling this caseworker, being talked to like trash and hung up on, calling the supervisor, being talked to like trash and hung up on, finally contact was made with the DCS's attorney, who was appalled at their actions. And after being informed of a few facts, such as my very beautiful, smart young lady being in the 97th percentile in the nation on the standardized testing, the fact that she's happy and well-adjusted, as testified to by the school, the fact that the school itself uses a new and pretty sketchy curriculum called like Padilla or something like that, and the fact that they only have a 35% pass rate for their curriculum. The lawyer for DCS, not for me, made assurances that it would more than likely be dismissed. But guess what? That's not the end. That's not the end. Because suit is going to be filed against the Department of Children's Services. And also against the school. And I'm weighing adding the state of Indiana to it for violating the most fundamental right that a man has, and that's the right to... Now, there has been language in some of these rulings that says that it's not absolute, because the government apparently has this role of protecting those who can't protect themselves. Well, that wouldn't include my child. That would include, like, a ward of the state, like a cripple, a John Doe cripple, I would think, something like that. Or maybe people that are in prison, something of that nature, or an actual child that's in foster care because they don't have parents, like an orphan. But I am my child's protection, and my rights extend to them. Why do you think government is forbidden from speaking to a child without the consent of the parent? And there's also another issue. Whenever you sign a legal document like this, it says, I swear or affirm under the penalties of perjury that everything is true. There's several lies in this paper. They claimed that I went to the school being irate and yelling at people. Well, there's cameras at the school, and I'm filing a motion to compel them to give me the tape. There's an officer at the school. His name's Mr. Brooks. Stand-up guy, solid guy. He stated this morning, and I have it on tape, that he's never witnessed that nor been told anything like that. So I'm wondering if I can get this lady prosecuted criminally for writing all these lies in this. But we'll figure it out. But these people have no idea what's coming for them.